What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, I got one of these the other day. I'm gonna assume it's my distributor. Now, obviously, I did say the other week that I was gonna, I was gonna send the car off to the shop. But the Saturday that happened, I don't know. I just didn't feel like doing it. So, because the Saturday I said it started raining. And obviously, I didn't really want to get my car out in the rain, so I didn't bring the car to the shop, and I just ordered a new distributor. So, of course, I missed the delivery, because, well, obviously, out there, if you can't see already, there's a gate. If the camera would focus on it, there we go. But there's a gate out there. And, well, quite frankly, I was watching from my window, and I guess I just lost this, and the male lady just didn't want to come in, so obviously, I can't do anything about that, so I have to go pick up my distributor now. Now, okay, I know, I said I was going to send the car off to the shop at the end of the last video, but then, I was like, you know what, no, I'm not going to do that. There's one thing I can change about what happened to my car, and that is the fact that I can put the distributor in myself. So I said, you know what? It's probably the most likely cause. I am going to swap that distributor out like a freaking champ. So that's what I'm doing today. Alright, you guys, I'm here. There's the glorious post office. Right there. See you guys when I get back. Dub secured. Jesus Christ. Alright, okay, so yes, okay, so my distributor is right here. Let's get it in, I guess. I have nothing to lose at this point, so let's get it in the car. So in case you guys don't know, my distributor is right here. I suspect this thing's pretty much been bricked. I mean, you can tell it's kind of like splitting down the middle here. And yes, production date 2009. This would focus. It might look better. There's a cat right there. He's not looking. Oh, now he sees me. Okay, bye, Mr. Cat. But anyways, I'm gonna get this distributor replaced. So I'm probably supposed to get some tape for the wires, but these are all kind of labeled. So yeah, I think I'll be okay without. 1, 2. Yeah, I think I'll be okay without. All right, let's get this thing out, I guess. The thing that has caused me so much anguish for the past week or so. Actually, no. First, I should make sure my battery works. Alright, this is going to be kind of hard to do with one hand, but there's the negative terminal, and we touch the positive. It's a little low. So, I think that makes sense. Car has been kind of sitting for a week, but that shouldn't prevent me from starting the car, which is fine. Voltage is fine. Nothing to worry about. Now, let's get back to removing this old distributor. Distributor is coming out. Alright, okay, hold on. My hands are all greasy. I am touching this thing like there's no tomorrow. But on the bright side, my car will hopefully start again. Alright, so just get the stick. This thing is almost out. Shoot. Can I get it out? Oh, hopefully it doesn't start raining soon. Alright, here's the third bolt. Come on, you can get out. Come on, please. Oh shit, come on. Oh shit, oh, okay. Oh, yes. And some oil came out. Okay. Now I need to disconnect this thing. Total pain in the ass. This out. Alright. Retrospect, I probably should have worn gloves. Got my gloves on. Alright. I'll see you guys when I get this wiring harness off, because it's probably going to take me a while. I literally just spent 10 minutes struggling to figure out why this would take so long to come off, only to find out this little fucking thing was what's preventing it. That took me like 15 minutes to figure out. Oh my gosh. This is not a good day. This little thing to hold the fucking wire in place or whatever. Alright, well, let's get my new distributor in. Let's take this one out. I guess I can open it up and figure. Oh, wow. I did not know they were this big. Okay, anyways. In case. Okay, so. Yeah, they look about the same. Okay, so. The top is this. Okay, this is the top. Alright, cool. Okay. Okay, so this goes according to plan. This should be in right about here. Yes, that's him. Oh no, it's not. Okay, I can't do it any farther. Shit. I need to figure out how to get this in correctly, so I'll see you guys in like 5 minutes when I get it in properly. Alright, boys and girls, I've got the distributor in. It's seated properly against the head of the engine. Camera would focus. There you go. And yeah, now it's all just about tidying everything up, putting the bolts back in. And after 2 weeks out of service, seeing if Teggy will finally start for me. She's been a little bit finicky, but I think she'll do it for me. Put you guys back on the tripod. You can watch me as I struggle to figure out how the hell to get this thing back on. I'm gonna get all the bolts and stuff back on. I don't think you guys need to hear this. I might just speed this up so you guys don't have to watch me struggle like a dumbass. In. Okay, the wires need to go back now. Let's see. Oh, come on. Okay, here we go. Phone's all greasy and shit now. Alright, let's see. Alright. One's farthest back down here. All right, I think you guys know what time it is. Keys. Let's get this show on the road. Well, boys, I guess this is the moment of truth, whether or not my car, there guys, boys, is whether or not my car will start. So, yes, yes. Oh, yes. Oh my God, it actually started. Yes. Yes. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, yes, it started. Yes. Woohoo! All right, oh shit, the fuel smells really bad, but hopefully my distributor doesn't shit on me again, but yeah. Car's fine, it started. I'm gonna let the car run for a little bit. It hasn't run for like a week and a half, 2 weeks, so yeah. You guys stayed this far in the video, I guess. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully Teggy doesn't break down on me again. But I'll see you guys the next time I make a video. Hopefully Teggy will be fine by then. Peace out, guys.